Why do you think these women have been freed?
Well, Hala, I think that this is the tip of a very large human rights iceberg. Saudi Arabia doesn't have the best record when it comes to human rights, especially in the wake of the assassination of journalist Jamal Khashoggi. And so, again, releasing 3 out of 11 female activists is a nice symbolic step. But let's not forget these women faced caning, electrocuting, waterboarding, were forced to break their fast during Ramadan. And so this is something that we hope will lead to more releases soon.
Do you see this as a victory for human rights defenders, the fact that these 3 women have been released?
Well, no, because they've been temporarily released. So this is not a permanent release. They've been temporarily released. They've been given court-appointed public defenders. They can't even choose their own attorneys. So they're going to have to appear for court again. Again, this is a very tiny symbolic tip of a very large human rights iceberg that is Saudi Arabia today.
What do you think this particular case says about the Saudi legal system?
Well, first of all, the Saudi legal system probably couldn't spell the words human rights. But I do think that there's been so much political pressure, again, in the wake of the Jamal Khashoggi affair, whether it's from Germany, other EU nations. There's been enough pressure on MBS. I think that this is a small gesture, but again, there needs to be a lot more done. Again, there's only 3 out of 11 that have been released. They need to release the other 8 of them as well.
In terms of the reports that we've heard from these 3 women, they have alleged torture during that 10-month-long captivity. What do you make of those claims?
Well, again, the Saudi government was complicit in the assassination of a journalist named Jamal Khashoggi in their own consulate in Turkey. So, no, if they were brazen enough to do that, I'm not surprised at anything that they would do to human beings.
OK, Arsalan Iftikhar, we'll have to leave it there, but thanks very much for your thoughts on this. Arsalan Iftikhar joining us from Sterling in Virginia. Thank you.
Thank you, Hala.